We back at the practice again. Looks like I'm competing with board space with Sam. I'll have to throw the stick to get my spot back, but he'll be back. Still working on jumping on the board. See where it goes. Kind of mix it up tonight. I don't have a lot of time. Skateboard. Skateboard. No. Skateboard. Come. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Well, that's it for tonight. The dog makes it a little more challenging skate. He's definitely not afraid of the board, so that's a good thing. If we're going to teach him how to skate. See you later.